Alright, it's minus 35 with a 48 minus wind chill. And I uttered the phrase this morning that may have been uttered before in human history. How long are you going to be? I already started my socks, which are electric. Battery electric for days like today. The bolt has gone to work. Unplugging level 1. The brake is stiff. Pushing the button. We have, oh, it's internal mode. Uh-oh. Reduced power. Oh. Okay. That's interesting. The rest is frost on the inside of the window. As you can see, it does nothing. I think it charged to 100% and then stopped heating the battery. So it would have been better to actually have left it unplugged overnight because it didn't heat the battery. There's one bar on the battery. There should be 2 on the left-hand side for battery temperature, which is why it's internal mode. But it's heating the battery now. This is a quirk of the Leaf and no other car as far as I know.
I'll put your back into it.
My back goes into nothing. Give me a more full can of that stuff.
I think it's by your feet. I don't know.
Well, it smells. Probably get a DUI. That's not good. You know, turn on the cold air defrost. I will require a credit card of some sort.
This is how you bring it back into it.
So the defrost is on, but it's blowing cold air. We scrape the inside and outside of the window. Minus 35. The wind chill was like minus 43. No, minus 49.
46.
It was minus 49 when I got up. Now this is dicey. I can't tell if it's on the inside or outside. Once I face this into the sun at around 10 a.m., it's now 9:30, the sun will melt the frost on the window or evaporate. And it'll be fine. But my driveway's not in the sun.